Good morning, Vananda. Today we are going to solve the some problems related to the formation of the Weber's matrix. That is the continuation class for last class. Okay, in that first problem is the network shown in the figure below. Okay, this is the given network diagram and draw the graph. Okay, by using this network diagram, first we draw the graph. Okay, after that we form the Weber's matrix. Okay, after that we form the Weber's for the network by direct inspection method and verify the Weber's by nodal analysis. Okay, in the case of a direct inspection method, how we will form the Weber's matrix? We are having the two methods. That is, first one is the nodal analysis or the mesh analysis. Another one is directly we are having the some formulas are there for formation of the Weber's matrix. Okay, that already discussed in the last previous class. Okay, in that problem, first of all, we solve the Weber's matrix for the direct inspection method and also verify the Weber's by nodal analysis. First, we form the Weber's by using the some different formulas for the formation of the Weber's. After forming the Weber's matrix and verify the Weber's matrix by the nodal analysis. Okay, the two methods already discussed in the last class. Okay, and then the admittance values are given in the per unit values. Okay, these are all the admittance values. Okay, these are all the admittance values. That values are given in the per unit values. Okay, these admittance values are given in the per unit values. Okay, this is the network. This is the network. This is the network for the given circuit network. Okay, by using this network we draw the graph. Okay, these are the elements. Okay, in that elements we are having the admittance values. Okay, these are the admittance values and this is the current source. Okay, first of all, how many nodes are there in the graph in the given? First, how many nodes are there? First, we mention the nodes in the given circuit diagram. How many nodes are there? That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 0 as the reference. Okay, we are having the 4 nodes and 0 as the reference. Okay, first we mention that nodes, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, these are all the nodes and 0 is the reference and 0 is the reference. Okay. Next, this is the first node 1. This is the node 1. Okay, in that node 1 to reference, we are having the element. Okay, first node 1 to reference, we are having the element 1. Next. This is node 1. Next, this is node 2. Node 1 to 2, we are having the another element that is minus J10. Next, node 1 to 4. 1 to 4, we are having the another element that is minus J20. Okay, in that node 1, we are having the 3 elements that is 1, 2, 3. Minus J10, minus J10, minus J20. Node 1. Okay, this is first element 1. Element 7 and also element 8. Next, coming to the node 2. Node 2, how many elements are there? 1, 2. Okay. Node 2. This is the node 2. How many elements are there in that node 2? Node 2. Okay, 2 to reference. Node 2 to reference. And 2 to 1. Okay, that is already represented 2 to 1. Next 2 to 3. 2 to 3. Minus J5, minus J5. Minus J5, minus J5. Next node 3. Okay, this is the node 3. Minus J20, minus J20, minus J20, minus J20. Okay, this is 3 and the 5 element. Next, node 4. In that node 4, we are having the minus J20, minus J10 and minus J20. 3 elements are there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's why first for the given network, this is the given network, and then we draw the graph for this network. First we count the how many nodes are there in this network. You count the how many nodes are there in this network. Okay, what is the hint for that graph? The elements are represented in the straight lines. Okay, and the voltage source in the closed circuit and current source are taken as the open circuit. Okay, these two are the current sources. Okay, that's why we are not representing the any current source in that graph. Okay, there is no any representation for that current source. Why? Because the current source are taken in the open circuit. Okay, suppose it is in the voltage source. In the network we are having the voltage source, then we represent that the voltage sources are in the short circuit. Okay, therefore 1 to 0 we are having the another voltage source. Okay, what is the equivalent for that voltage source? That is short circuited. Current source means the open circuited line, open circuited. Okay, that's why it is not represented in that graph. Okay, first of all we mention the nodes. How many nodes are there? 4 nodes and 0 as the reference, and count the how many elements are there in the network. Okay, this is the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, these are all the 8 elements are there. Okay, therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many nodes are there? 4 nodes and 0 as the reference. 4 nodes and 0 as the reference. The current sources are in the open circuited. Okay, that's why we are not representing the any current source in that graph. Okay, this is the graph drawn from the given network. Okay, understand ma? First we count the how many nodes are there in the circuit. Okay, this is the node 1, this is the node 2, this is node 3 and this is the node 4. Okay, and this is the reference. Reference means the 0. We are considering as the 0. Next, count how many elements are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, first mention this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Elements 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, first coming to the node 1, which elements are connected? That is node 1 to reference 0. That is element 1. Next, node 1 to node 2. That is 4, 5, 6, 7. Element 7. Next, another element is connected between node 1 to node 4. Okay, that is 8th element. Okay, next coming to the node 2. Node 2, in that node 2, which element is given? First we mention the nodes and also the element numbers. Okay, this is the node 1. This is node 2. This is node 3. This is node 4. Next, mention the element numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next we mention node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4. And this is the reference node. Okay, this is the node 1. First node 1 to reference, element 1 is connected. Okay, this is element 1. Next, node 1 to node 2, element 2, sorry, element 7. Okay, this is element 7. The first node, second node, third node, fourth node. Next, element 1 to 4, eighth element. Element 1 to 4. Okay, that is eighth element. Next, coming to the node 2, we are connecting 2, 6, 7. 7 is already connected. Next 2 to 3, we are having the sixth element. Okay, this is 6. Element number 6. Next, 2 to reference, second element. 2 to reference, element number 2. Next, three, 4. Next, 3 to reference, third element. Okay, this is the element number 3. Next, 3 to 4, fifth element. Element number 5. Next, 4 to reference. Okay, that is element number 4. Next, 4 to first element, we are already mentioned, that is eighth element. Okay, this is the graph for the given network. Okay, the current sources are taken in the open circuited. Okay, that's why it is not mentioned. Okay, that's why it is not mentioned. Okay, understand ma how to draw the graph for the given network. Okay, this is the graph and these are the elements. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the nodes and 0 as the reference. 1 to 8 are the elements. Okay, this is the graph. After completing the graph, we are having the some formulas are there. This is the diagonal element formulas. This is the off diagonal elements. Okay, what is that formula in between the diagonal elements? Y11, Y22, Y33, Y44. Okay, Y11, 11, Y22, Y33, Y44. Okay, if you are having the 4 nodes, then the dimension for that matrix is the 4 by 4. Okay, this is the Y bus matrix. Okay, that is Y11, Y22, Y33, Y44. But in the case of a given problem, the values are in the admittance values. Okay, what is meant by admittance? That is Z. Okay, by using that admittance values, we determine the impedance values. Okay, what is that formula? Y is equal to Z inverse. Okay, what is that formula? Y is equal to Z inverse. Z inverse. Okay, first of all, Y11. Y11. Okay, which elements are connected in between the 1 to 1 matrix? That is minus J10, J10, minus J20. So first of all, 1 first node. First node ke em connected nahi, minus J10, minus J10, minus J20. Next, second node ki. Second node ke em connected nahi manaki minus J5, minus J5, minus J10. Next, third node ki. Minus J10, minus J10, minus J5. Next, fourth node ki. Minus J20, minus J20, sorry, minus J20, minus J10, minus J20. Okay, this is the formation of the Y44. Okay, Y11 is the minus J10. ఏమేమైతే ఎలిమెంట్స్ కనెక్ట్ ఉన్నాయో అవన్నీ మనం ఇక్కడ రాసేసుకున్నాం. Okay, next, off diagonal elements, that is Y21. Okay, what is the connection between 1 to 2? This is the node 1 and this is the node 2. Okay, in between node 1 to 2, which element is there? Minus J10. Minus J10 is there. Therefore, y21 equal to y12 is equal to minus of minus J10. Minus of minus J10, that is plus J10. Next, 1 to 3. 1 to 3. Okay, 1 to 3. Okay, there is no element, direct element in between the first node to third node. Okay, therefore it is taken as 0. Then it will be taken as 0. Next, 1 to 4. 1 to 4. Which element is connected? That is element 8. That is 1 to 4. That is minus J20. Minus of minus J20. Okay, minus of minus J20. Okay, it is the admittance values. Admittance means that directly we are taken as the Y. Okay, suppose it is the impedance values, then we find out the Y. That is Y is equal to Z inverse formula. But in this diagram, directly we are giving the admittance values. Okay, then directly we are substituting that values. Okay, ఒకవేళ మనకి ఇంపిడెన్స్ వాల్యూస్ ఇస్తే అప్పుడు 1 by వేసుకుంటాం. ఇంపిడెన్స్ కాదు, అక్కడ మనకి ఇచ్చింది అడ్మిటెన్సే కాబట్టి 1 by వేసుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ y21. 21. This is the second node. 2 to 1 we are having the minus J10. Minus of minus J10. Minus of minus J10. Okay, y21. Next y24. y34. Okay, 2 4. 2 to 4. 2 to 4. There is no connection between the second node to first node, then it will be considered as 0. Okay, that is the procedure for the formation of the Y bus matrix. Y11, Y12, Y13, Y14, Y21, Y22, Y23, Y24, Y31, Y33, Y32, Y33, Y34, Y41, Y42, y43, y44. ఓకే, ఇవిల్లమ్మ డయాగ్నల్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ మీన్స్ దా ఏవైతే మనకి కనెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాయో 1 నుంచి 1 కి ఏమేమి ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయో చూసుకోవాలి. అంటే 1 కి 1 నోడ్ కి ఏదైతే ఎలిమెంట్స్ కనెక్ట్ అయినా అవన్నిటిని యాడ్ చేసాం. y22 అంటే 2 నోడ్ కి ఏమైతే ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయో అవన్నీ యాడ్ చేసాం. y33 అంటే థర్డ్ నోడ్ కి ఏవైతే ఎలిమెంట్స్ కనెక్ట్ అయినా అవన్నీ యాడ్ చేసుకుంటాం. y44 అంటే ఫోర్త్ నోడ్ కి ఏవైతే ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయో అవన్నీ యాడ్ చేసేసుకొని ఇలా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసాం. నెక్స్ట్ హాఫ్ డయాగ్నల్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ వచ్చేసరికి ఏమేమి వస్తాయి? y12 1 నుంచి 2 కి లేదా 2 నుంచి 1 కి ఏదైతే ఎలిమెంట్ ఉందో అది మైనస్ ఆఫ్ దట్ ఎలిమెంట్. నెక్స్ట్ y13 1 నుంచి 3 కి ఏదైనా ఎలిమెంట్ కనెక్ట్ అయిందా లేదా చూసుకోవాలి. ఒకవేళ లేకపోతే 0. నెక్స్ట్ y14 1 నుంచి 4 కి ఏదైనా ఎలిమెంట్ ఉంటే దట్ ఈస్ మైనస్ ఆఫ్ దట్ ఎలిమెంట్. నెక్స్ట్ y21 2 నుంచి 1 కి ఏదైనా ఎలిమెంట్ కనెక్ట్ అయింటే అది వేసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ 21 అయినా 12 అయినా ఒకటే. నెక్స్ట్ y22 దట్ ఈస్ డయాగ్నల్ ఎలిమెంట్. నెక్స్ట్ y23 2 నుంచి 3 కి ఏదైనా ఎలిమెంట్ కనెక్ట్ అయింటే అది ఇక్కడ వేసుకోవాలి. నెక్స్ట్ y24 2 నుంచి 4 కి ఏదైనా ఎలిమెంట్ కనెక్ట్ అయింటే ఇక్కడ వేసుకోవాలి. y31 అయినా 13 అయినా ఒకటే. నెక్స్ట్ y32 3 నుంచి 2 కి ఏదైనా ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ 32 అన్నా ఇవైనా ఒకటే. ఓకే, దట్స్ లైక్ వీఆర్ క్యాలిక్యులేటింగ్ ద Y bus matrix. ఓకే, this is the formation of the Y bus matrix. First of all, we count how many nodes are there, then write down the matrix. That is, suppose we are having the 4 nodes, then the dimension for that Y bus matrix is the y11, y12, y13, y14. That is 4 by 4 matrix. Okay, the diagonal elements are calculated like this and non-diagonal elements are calculated like this, and then substitute that values. Okay, this is the formation of the Y bus matrix by direct inspection method. Okay, this is the one method. Next we calculate the another method, that is the nodal analysis. Okay, we are taking the same network and then mention the nodes, that is 1 2 3 4 0. Okay, these are the different nodes. Okay, next write down the equations for that each and every node. First, from the node 1 Write down the equations. Node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4. We are taking as V1, V2, V3. Okay, writing the nodal equations at node 1. Okay, and then simplify that equation. Next, write down the nodal equation for that second node, and write down the nodal equation for the third node, and write down the nodal equation for that fourth node, and then simplify these equations and then form that matrix like this, that is I bus, Y bus, V bus. Okay, then Y bus is equal to this, Y bus is equal to this. Okay, these are all the 4 nodal equations from the given network. Okay, these are all the 4 nodal equations from the given network. And simplify this all the 4 equations and then write is in the form of I bus is equal to Y bus into V bus. Okay, then representing that Y bus, then compare this Y bus with this equation, this matrix. Compare that Y bus with this matrix. Okay, that's values are same. ఓకే, ఏ మెథడ్ లో క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసినా కూడా Y bus matrix అనేది మనకి సేమ్ గా వస్తుంది. ఓకే, that is the given observation in this problem. Okay, understand ma? Okay, అదే ఇక్కడ చేయమన్నారు. Form the Y bus by direct inspection method and verify the Y bus by nodal analysis. ఓకే, అలా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసి దాన్ని I bus, Y bus, V bus ఫామ్ లో ఈక్వేషన్ రాసుకొని ఆ Y bus ని మనం ముందు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసిన Y bus ని రెండింటిని కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటాం. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ మెథడ్. నెక్స్ట్, కమింగ్ టు ద సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం. For the network shown in below, determine the incidence matrix. Okay, first we find out the A bar. A bar means the element node incidence matrix. Same as that, find out the A, K, B bar, B, C. Okay, and verify the following. Okay, AB means the branch of that A matrix. Okay, AB means the branch of that A matrix, and K transposed is equal to U. U means the unity matrix. K transposed is equal to U. Next, BL is the link, that is equal to AL into K transposed. Okay, link of that B matrix is equal to link of the A matrix into K transpose. Okay, verify this relation. Next, CB means the branches of that C matrix is equal to minus of link of the B matrix transpose. Okay, first of all, we determine the A bar, A, K, B bar, B, C. Okay, and verify this relation. Okay, and verify this relation. Okay, in that given network, taking node 1 as the reference. Okay, in the given network, the node 1 is the reference. The node 1 as the reference, and 1 to 5 as a tree branches. Okay, 1 to 5 as a tree branches. Okay, ఈ నెట్వర్క్ లో మనకి రెఫరెన్స్ నోడ్ ఏదో ఇచ్చేసారు, అలాగే ట్రీ ఏది మనకి మెన్షన్ చేశాడు. ఓకే, అలా తీసుకొని మనం ఈ వెరిఫికేషన్ అనేది చేయాలి. ఓకే, వేరేగా తీసుకుంటే మనకి వెరిఫికేషన్ అనేది సింప్లిఫై అవ్వదు. కాబట్టి వాడు ఇచ్చిన డయాగ్రామ్ ని ప్రకారం రెఫరెన్స్ ఇదే తీసుకోవాలి, ట్రీ ఎలిమెంట్స్ కూడా మనం ఇదే కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ మనకి ఇచ్చిన నెట్వర్క్ నుంచి మనం ఏ బార్, ఏ, కే, బి బార్, బి అండ్ సి అనేది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, అవి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఈ రిలేషన్ అనేది మనం వెరిఫై చేయాలి. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ మనకి ఇచ్చిన నెట్వర్క్ నుంచి గ్రాఫ్ డ్రా చేసుకోవాలమ్మా. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఓరియంటెడ్ గ్రాఫ్ ఫర్ ద గివెన్ network. Same as that of we are mentioned the how many nodes are there, buses are taken as in the nodes. Okay, single line diagram lo evaithe buses unnayo that buses are taken as in the nodes. Okay, how many buses are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Okay, we are having the 4 buses. Okay, these are all the elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the elements. Okay, these are all the nodes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the nodes. Okay, then draw the graph or the oriented graph. First, we mentioned that nodes, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, first 1 to first node to second node, we are connecting the element 1. First node to second node, okay, we are connecting element 1. Okay, after that, first node to second node, we are connecting the another element, that is 4. First node to second node, we are connecting the another element, that is element number 4. Okay, next, first node to third node, first node to third node, we are connecting the another element, that is element number 2. First node to third node, we are connecting the another element, that is element number 2. Okay, next, third node to fourth node, we are connecting the element number 3. Third node to fourth node, we are connecting the element number 3. Okay, next, fourth node to second node, fourth node to second node, we are connecting the element number 5. Fourth node to second node, we are connecting the element number 5. Okay, this is the given network. By using this given network, we draw the element, we draw the graph and the oriented graph. Okay, we draw the graph or the oriented graph. Okay, once I'm explaining how to draw the oriented graph from the given network. First, we mention the nodes. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. ఇవి ఎలా అయినా తీసుకోవచ్చమ్మా మీ ఇష్టం. Okay, this is first node, second node, third node, and fourth node. Okay, first 1 to 2. First node 1 to node 2, element 1. Okay, node 1 to node 2, element 1. Next, node 1 to node 2, we are having the element 4. Same node 1 to node 2, we are having the element 4. Next, node 1 to node 3, element 2. Node 1 to node 3, element 2. Okay, this is element 2. Okay, next, node 3 to node 4, element 3. This is element 3. Next, node 4 to node 2, element 5. Element 5. Okay, this is the oriented graph. Okay, what is the difference between the graph and the oriented graph? Okay, in that graph, there is no directions for that element. Okay, but in this oriented graph, we are mentioned the directions. Okay, these are all the directions. Okay, suppose we are mentioned these directions in that elements, then it will be considered as the oriented graph. Okay, then it will be considered as the oriented graph. Okay, these are all the nodes. Node 1, node 2, node 3. Okay, these are all the elements. Okay, next mention node 1 as the reference. Next mention the tree elements. 1, 2, 5 are the trees. 1 to 5 are the trees. Okay, once observe that tree. Okay, 1, 2, 5 are the trees. What is meant by tree? Dark line. And other elements are taken as in the dotted line, that is links. Okay, 1, 2, 5 as a tree. Tree means the dark line. Okay, 1, 2, 5 as considered as the dark lines. Okay, 1, 2, 5. Okay, the remaining two elements are in the links. Remaining two are the links. Okay, that is also already mentioned in the question. Okay, that is already mentioned in the question. Okay, this is the given tree from the oriented graph. Okay, next we form the element node incidence matrix, that is A bar. Okay, we form the element node incidence matrix, that is A bar. First we mention the elements and the nodes. Okay, how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the elements. How many nodes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, mention that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the elements and nodes are the 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next. First, the element 1 is taken in between the nodes 1 and the 2. Okay, element 1 is taken in between the 1 and the 2. Then we mention in that 1 we are having the 1 and the 1. Okay, the 3 node and 4th nodes are not incident to the element 1. Okay, ఎలిమెంట్ 1 ఎక్కడ ఉందమ్మా? మనకి 1 కి 2 కి మధ్యలో ఉంది. 1 కి 2 కి నోడ్స్ కి మధ్యలో ఉంది. ఎలిమెంట్ 1 అనేది 3 నోడ్ కి 4th నోడ్ కి అసలు టచ్ అవ్వట్లేదు. ఓకే, దట్ మీన్స్ ద నాట్ ఇన్సిడెంట్. ఓకే, నాట్ ఇన్సిడెంట్ మీన్స్ we are considering as 0 0. Next, how we will taking the +1 or the -1? Okay, the element 1 is away from the first node. Okay, away from the first node means we are taking as +1. Okay, towards the node means -1. Okay, the element 1 is away from the first node, then it is mentioned as +1. Okay, the element 1 is towards the second node, then we are represented as -1. Next, coming to the second element. Element 2 is connected in between the first node and the third node. The other nodes are not incidents. Okay, other nodes means the 1, 3, the 2, 4 are the zeros. Okay, next, the element 2 is away from the first node. Away from the first node means the +1. The element 2 is towards the third node, -1. +1, -1. Okay, next, element 3. Element 3. Element 3 is placed in between node 3 and the node 4. Okay, the element 3 is placed in between node 3 and node 4. Node 1 and node 2 are the not incidents, then it considered as the 0 0. Okay, the element 3 is away from the third node, that means +1. The element 3 is towards the first node, 4th node, -1. Element 3 is towards the, okay, sorry, it is taken as -1. Okay, towards means the -1. Okay, this is -1. Next, the element 4. Okay, element 4 is there. 4 is there in between first node and second node, not incident to 4th and the third node. Okay, the element 4 is away from the first node, +1. Okay, the element 4 is towards the second node, +1, -1. +1, -1. The remaining two are not incidents, 0 0. Next, element 5. The element 5 is connected in between 4th node and the second node. The remaining nodes are not incident. Okay, in the element 5 is away from the fourth node. Away means we are considering as +1. Towards means -1. +1, fourth is +1, -1, not incident is 0. This is the A bar matrix. Then find out the A. A means we are removing the reference node. Okay, in that question it is mentioned as 1 as the reference. Okay, remove the first. Remove the first one. Reference node element. Okay, we remove these values. And then we write down the remaining matrix, that is -1, 0, 0, 0, -1, 0, 0, 1, -1, -1, 0, 0, -1, 0, 1. Okay, this is the A matrix. Okay, this is the A matrix. A means the bus incidence matrix. A bar is the element node incidence matrix. Okay, what is the difference between A bar and the A? In that A bar matrix, we remove the reference elements. Okay, remove the reference node elements. Okay, remove the reference node elements. The remaining matrix is write down in the same form. Then the dimension of that A matrix is the 3 by 5. Okay, the dimension of that matrix is the 3 by 5. This is the A. Okay, next K, cut set matrix. K, cut set matrix. Okay, how many cut sets are there? In that cut set, we are having only the one branch. The remaining are the links. Okay, how many branches are there in that graph? We are having the 3 branches. Okay, that is 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5 are the branches. First, we are considering as the cut set A. Okay, this is the cut set A. Cut set A is the first branch and third link and fourth link also. Okay, in that cut set, we are having only one branch. Okay, next cut set B. That branch is the second one. Next cut set C. The branch is the fifth one. Okay, the direction of the branch is same as that of the cut set direction. Okay, the direction of that branch is same as that of a cut set direction. Okay, then write down this K matrix and then write down the B matrix and then basic loop incidence matrix and then write down the B bar matrix and then